What is going on, everybody? James at Blue Eye Tech coming here, wanting to give you guys my unboxing of the Amazon Echo Buds. What caught my interest of these wireless earbuds is not just the features that come with it, but it's the price. Amazon just recently dropped it from 130 bucks down to only $90. Now, I feel that is a steal for a pair of wireless earbuds, especially with the features it has. And I just want to kind of unbox this and give my first impressions on it and let you guys know what I think. Now, as we look around the box here, I'll show you all the different features it has, as well as the different music services it works with, such as Apple Music, Amazon Music, Audible, Spotify, so on and so forth. And it also will tell you what is included in the box, such as the 3 ear tip sizes, as well as the 3 hook sizes, in addition to the charging cable and naturally the charging case with the wireless earbuds inside. And if we look over on the other side of the box, it will let you know that it is Alexa enabled, as well as Bluetooth compatible, and is also sweat resistant as well. Now, once we open up the box here, the first thing you'll notice is the Echo Buds inside their charging case. I like the look of the Echo Buds case as far as the color goes. I do like the mix between glossy black and matte black they have going on here. Now, underneath where the earbuds are being kept, that's where you'll find the micro USB charging cable, in addition to the 3 ear tip sizes along with the hook sizes as well. Now, looking back at the Amazon Echo Bud case, actually, while it is all plastic, it does not feel cheap like previous earbuds I've tested out before in the past. I do like the build quality of it. It is nice. I do kind of wish that the design of the case was more like the AirPods case, not so much like this clamshell design. I'm not a huge fan of the clamshell design. I'm also not a big fan of micro USB. I kind of wish they went with USB-C. I don't know why Amazon didn't go with USB-C. They do have access to plenty of USB-C cables out there. I'm pretty sure even Amazon makes their own USB-C cable with the Amazon Basics. I could be wrong, but I mean, I feel that going with micro USB was a bad decision on this, but that's just my opinion. Now, when it comes to the look of the Echo Buds, I do like the way they look here. They do fit in the case pretty well. The magnet on the charging case is actually very strong. I've actually tried to shake these out of the case before, and they just will not fall out. And where that is actually a huge plus in my opinion, though, because there's been plenty of times I've actually accidentally dropped my AirPods, and they've just popped right out of the case. That is not the case with the Echo Buds. The Echo Buds definitely stay in their case pretty well. Now, I want to give you guys kind of an example of how big this case is. Now, granted, while this case is bigger than the AirPods, it is still pocketable. So I'm able to still fit this in my back pocket the same way I can fit my AirPods in it. It's just a little bit more noticeable when I have the Echo Buds case in my pocket versus my AirPods. So while I like the overall design of the Echo Buds, I'm not a huge fan of the in-ear design. It's kind of the same design as the Skullcandy Indies had. Hopefully these are a little bit more comfortable than the Skullcandy Indies, but I guess we'll find out. Right here, you'll probably see, I don't know if you can see here on camera though, but there is actually a little sensor right there for when you take the earbud out, it will pause your music similar to the Apple AirPods. So that's actually kind of a nice feature they're able to throw in this as well. So I think for 90 bucks, they really pack this with a lot of cool features. So if you guys like this unboxing of the Amazon Echo Buds, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you guys don't want to miss my full review of the Amazon Echo Buds, definitely hit that subscribe button. This has been James at Blue Eye Tech, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.